Welcome to Home Decor Inspiration, the ultimate destination for all things interior design.
Ten plus small garden ideas to transform your space into a lush retreat. Turning a small garden into a lush retreat is all about maximizing the space you have while creating a cozy and vibrant atmosphere. Whether you have a tiny backyard, balcony, or patio, these small garden ideas will help you craft a serene and inviting space that feels like a natural escape. Vertical gardens for extra greenery. When space is limited, go vertical. Vertical gardens allow you to grow flowers, herbs, and even small vegetables without taking up valuable ground space. Install wall-mounted planters or trellises and fill them with your favorite plants. Succulents, ivy, or even small ferns work well for vertical gardens, adding lush greenery to even the smallest areas. Compact raised garden beds. Raised garden beds are perfect for small spaces because they allow you to control the soil and plant density. Use compact wooden or metal planters to grow your favorite herbs, vegetables, or flowers. Raised beds can be installed in corners or along the edges of your garden, leaving room for seating or decorative elements in the center. Container gardens for flexibility. For ultimate flexibility, container gardening is ideal for small spaces. You can easily move pots around to catch sunlight or change up your garden's layout. Opt for a mix of large and small containers to create visual interest. Tall pots with ornamental grasses or small trees can add height, while smaller pots filled with colorful flowers bring in texture and variety. Garden paths and stone walkways. Adding a garden path or small stone walkway can instantly transform your garden into a retreat. Even in a tiny space, a well-placed path can guide the eye and give the illusion of a larger area. Use natural materials like stepping stones, gravel, or wooden planks to create a rustic and tranquil vibe. Cozy seating nooks. No garden retreat is complete without a cozy place to sit and relax. In small gardens, consider creating a nook with a small bench, hanging chair, or even a few comfortable outdoor cushions. Tuck the seating into a corner or under a tree to create a shaded, serene space where you can unwind and enjoy your surroundings. Hanging baskets for added layers. Hanging baskets are a great way to add greenery and blooms to a small garden without taking up ground space. Suspend them from pergolas, walls, or even balcony railings to create layers of lush plant life. Choose cascading plants like petunias, ferns, or trailing ivy for an elegant, overflowing effect. Small water features for relaxing ambience. A small water feature, like a tabletop fountain or a bird bath, can bring tranquility to any garden. Even in compact spaces, the sound of trickling water adds a soothing ambience. You can easily find small, self-contained fountains that fit on a patio or balcony, enhancing the peaceful vibe of your outdoor retreat. Mirrors for an illusion of space. Mirrors are a clever way to create the illusion of more space in a small garden. Position a mirror along a wall or fence to reflect greenery and light, making the area feel larger and more open. Decorative garden mirrors also add a touch of elegance and can serve as a focal point in the space. Tiered planting for depth and dimension. Creating tiered planting areas with steps, shelves, or multi-level planters allows you to maximize plant space and add depth to your garden. Use different heights to showcase a variety of plants, taller shrubs or flowers at the back, with shorter plants in front. This layered approach makes the space feel lush and full, even in a compact area. Fairy lights and lanterns for evening magic. Lighting can transform your small garden into a magical retreat in the evening. String up fairy lights or hang lanterns around the garden to create a soft, glowing atmosphere. Solar-powered lights are energy efficient and perfect for outdoor spaces, helping to create a cozy, inviting vibe as the sun sets. Multi-purpose furniture. In small gardens, furniture often needs to do double duty. Choose multifunctional pieces like benches with built-in storage or foldable tables and chairs that can be easily stored when not in use. This keeps your garden space flexible and clutter-free, while still offering a comfortable place to relax. Create your own lush garden retreat, whether you have a small backyard or a balcony. These creative ideas can help you transform your space into a lush green retreat. With vertical gardens, cozy seating, and ambient lighting, you can turn even the smallest garden into a peaceful escape that's perfect for relaxing or entertaining.